Hi, welcome back to another episode of Soup. Here today we have this kid holding the camera made some like nature thing.
Sponsored by Doritos.
I wish. It's apparently got like dirt, leaves, and other things in there. Milk, because that's why it's foaming. And it does apply to the rules that I gave. No bodily fluids and nothing lethal. So I'm supposed to do this against my will.
Stop stalling.
Oh, the cap looks like cancer. All right. Oh, I'm getting really nauseous just thinking about it.
Don't drink too much.
All right. 3, 2. Oh my god. It's really gritty. I think I got a rock in there too.
Take a little swig.
No.
Please.
It's really gritty. It's like you got a really watered down milk in there. You got, of course, dirt, the leaves and everything just makes it some. No, I'm not chugging this.
Get a chunk.
A chunk?
Yeah, take the leaf and bite it.
Or the leaf right here.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Just bite it.
I'm not taking that rock with. I don't know why I do this. I don't know why I do this. Evan, you mind throwing this out for me?
No, I think you should do it.
Oh god, I don't know why I do this anymore. The god is not.